Right, good morning, welcome to Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams. As you can see, it's a lovely sunny morning. It's 10 o'clock, so we'll just have a bit of a walk down the seafront in a second. I'm just going to cross the road. I'm actually filming this on the 22nd of October, so a lot of the kids are off. So the winter gardens. The last couple of years the big wheel has stayed all winter, so I'm not sure what's going to happen at the end of this season. It's probably only going to be open this week and possibly next, and I would have thought that would be it for this year. Well, the last couple of years it has stayed in place, then reopened sort of about Easter. Is that your favourite place for breakfast? Let me know in the comments if it is. Should be a lovely day this afternoon. It is still a bit chilly at the moment, but if the sun stays out, it should be nice later. Another popular place there for breakfast, the Sunshine Cafe. Harry Ramsden's, how many people go there? It never seems that busy, that one doesn't. Not as busy as some I've seen. Showboat Arcade, that's been closed quite a few years. pub there, that's a popular pub in the Marine, but the Barkid Spack next door, that's been closed all season, all year. Obviously there's the circus just hiding there behind the flamingo. Arcade's just opening up. Fish and chips at more and more. Great Yarmouth quality fish and chips. And more fish and chips just there as well. That's where the Tourist Information Centre used to be. Silver Slipper Amusements. The holiday flats used to be above, not anymore. And that there is new nightclub. Has anyone actually been? There's the Mint, and the building here which used to be the indoor market here, and above it was Tiffany's. Now it's various things. There's a Subway, there's that chicken. There is a nightclub, I don't even know if that's open. And the Tower Bar, then the Candyland, that's new this year. There's Caesar's Palace Amusements, and then the Pink Amusements is the new prize bingo. So if you like the prize bingo, and that's where you need to go. Obviously it's a bit early, I don't think it opens till about midday. The Gold Rush not open yet. Perry's Ice Cream, which was sort of out there somewhere, part of the Marina Centre, but now it's been redone. It's just there. The Perry's Ice Cream is. Couple more chip shops. You've got is it Grelly's, Magic City Amusements, and this sports bar above, and then another chip shop, Terry's Fish and Chips, and Nicky's Cafe and Diner. Leisureland Arcade, or two arcades really. And the Empire, that's reopened as well, after being shut for a long time. Majestic Amusements, that's where the bingo used to be. Still got all new for 2021. I'm sure they might change the sign soon. There's the famous Anchor Flowers Gardens. That's been there as long as I can remember. This building here, in the sort of 80s, was the tourist information. Now it's the ice cream and coffee bar. There's the American Family Diner. I think that's owned by Joyland. Right, we'll leave it for now, I think, for this video. Thank you for watching. So we just up to Joyland and Britannia Pier, Regent Road there. The long bar was just there, just behind that bus. The webcam's actually on the cinema. Right, thanks for watching.